A little windy this morning. I've always heard that you should get to a trailhead in Glacier National Park around 6 a.m. Especially popular trailheads like the Avalanche Lake Trail, Trail of the Cedars. Even though, you know, it's September, the crowds are still here. Well, I can tell you the crowds are not here. We are the only ones here in the parking lot. And you see how dark it is now when the light cuts off. Let's see if I can figure out how to turn this thing back on. Gotta love a rental car, you have to learn it. And then about the time you learn it, it's time to go home. So we're going to do the Avalanche Lake Trail this morning. East Glacier was experiencing 33-mile-per-hour winds. And that's the same side, the east side of the park, that we plan to do the Grinnell Glacier Trail on today. And with those winds, we thought it might be best to do something on the west side. So we took Highway 2 around. It would be 2 west. We took 2 west over to West Glacier. And now we're sitting here in the parking lot waiting for a little bit of sunlight. We do have our headlamps, but we definitely want to see this trail. I want to show Kina what this looks like. We may be the first ones to the lake. We'll see this morning. This is the Trail of the Cedars here at Glacier National Park. As you might be able to see, there are beautiful cedar trees along this trail. How are you doing so far today? Good. Trying to see if it looks any more lit out here. Not really. We can see a little better, but still pretty dark. The creek. Yeah, it's like, hey Kina, let's go hike at Glacier in Montana. We'll start super early in the morning when you can't see and put our headlamps on and go walking. I'm in grizzly country. A little bit dramatic, the sky today. Last time I was here it was sunny, so I like a change. We're about halfway to the back side of the lake. I think it's a 6-mile out and back if you go to the back side of Avalanche Lake. That's what we plan to do today. I love the views from the back. Most of the pictures you see of Avalanche Lake are from the, I guess you would say, the west side, looking toward the east. The huge waterfall. It's beautiful, but it's something about going to that back side. Maybe it's because you have it to yourself typically. Not many people make the hike around. We're now walking to the back side of Avalanche Lake. So here on the way back to the car from the end of the Avalanche Lake hike, and we will see what we saw in the dark toward the end of this hike, and I will share that with you. I won't turn the camera on again though, unless we see something incredible. So signing out here from Avalanche Lake. Here's a little information on the trees that we've been looking at here on the Trail of the Cedars, many of which we walked by this morning in the pure darkness of the Pacific sky. Some mountain goats up on the hill. Okay, I want to share with you the beautiful big sky of Montana and just how dynamic it can be and how much it can change. We're going to start out over here, taking a look toward Rising Sun, St. Mary area. Now I'm looking off toward northeast, now eastern Montana. Look at the sky. Now we're circling back around looking south. Now we're going to turn toward Two Medicine. Check out the sky.